Hello students, welcome to SV Technology. Compiler versus interpreter. Compiler scans the entire program and translates the whole of it into machine code at once. Interpreter translates just one statement of the program at a time into machine code. Compiler takes a lot of time to analyze the source code. However, the overall time taken to execute the process is much faster. Interpreter takes very less time to analyze the source code. However, the overall time to execute the process is much slower. Compiler always generates an intermediate object code. It will need further linking. Hence, more memory is needed. Interpreter does not generate any intermediary code. Hence, an interpreter is highly efficient in terms of its memory. Compiler generates the error message only after it scans the complete program, and hence debugging is relatively harder while working with a compiler interpreter. It keeps translating the program continuously till the first error is confronted. If any error is spotted, it stops working and hence debugging becomes easy. Compilers are used by programming languages like C and C++. Interpreters are used by programming languages like Ruby and Python. So this is about compiler versus interpreter. For more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel SV Technology.